Greetings to everyone on behalf of Pharmadocx Consultants. Today I will give you all information regarding license to manufacture and import autoclaves. The CDSCO with its notification number 29/MISC/03/20T0-DC/193 Part 3 has classified steam sterilizers or autoclave as a risk class C medical device. Having intended use as a steam sterilizer is a device that is intended for use by a healthcare provider to sterilize medical devices by means of pressurized steam. Till 30th September 2023, the autoclaves were under mandatory registration as per the Chapter 3A of the Medical Device Rules. However, with effect from 1st October 2023, the autoclaves or steam sterilizer are now under mandatory licensing regime, meaning that a license on Form MD9 will be required to manufacture autoclaves and a license on Form MD15 will be required to import autoclaves. First, we will talk about the license to manufacture autoclaves, which is Form MD9. The MD9 license is issued by the CDSCO headquarters in New Delhi. The audit and the document scrutiny is conducted by CDSCO zonal offices. There is no involvement of State Food and Drug Administration in the process of obtaining MD9 for autoclaves. There is a requirement to hire 2 technical persons having qualification of BTech, BSc or B Pharma and having 2 years of experience in manufacturing of autoclaves. The government fee for obtaining a license on MD9 for autoclaves is as follows: Rs 50,000 for the license and Rs 1,000 per product. The process to obtain MD9 is as follows. You need to make an application for grant of MD9 on the online CDSCO portal. The documents will be scrutinized by the zonal CDSCO officers, and once the scrutiny is completed, medical device officers will conduct audit of your premises. Once the audit has been completed by the medical device officers and the query replies are submitted to the CDSCO zonal officers, and these replies are deemed to be satisfactory by the medical device officers, the file is forwarded to the CDSCO headquarters in New Delhi for document scrutiny. From there, the license is issued. The entire process roughly takes 3 to 4 months to complete. Following documents also need to be submitted on the online CDSCO portal for obtaining a license to manufacture autoclaves on Form MD9. Device master file, plant master file, quality management system, and several SOPs. We at Pharmadocx Consultants can help you in obtaining MD9 license for manufacturing of autoclaves. Feel free to contact us on 9996859227 or contact@pharmadocx.com. Now we will talk about import. For import of autoclaves, a license on Form MD15 will be required. This license is issued by the CDSCO headquarters in New Delhi. No CDSCO zonal office or state FDA plays any role in grant of import license on Form MD15. Relevant documents such as the manufacturing license of the original manufacturer, free sale certificates, CE certificates, etc. need to be uploaded on the online CDSCO portal for an application for grant of Form MD15. No audit is conducted in case of import license. The process to obtain an import license on Form MD15 for autoclaves roughly takes 4 to 5 months to complete. We at Pharmadocx Consultants can help you in obtaining an import license for autoclaves on Form MD15. Feel free to contact us on 9996859227 or reach out to us on contact@pharmadocx.com. You can also visit our website www.pharmadocx.com to find various blogs and relevant checklists for import licenses or manufacturing licenses of autoclaves. Now we will have some frequently asked questions. Question 1. What is the fees for import of autoclaves in India? As per the medical device rules, the fee for Class C medical devices is $3,000 for the license and $1,500 per product, making the total $4,500. Question 2. Is a license on Form MD9 or MD15 mandatory? As per the government notification, a license on Form MD9 and MD15 is mandatory with effect from 1st October 2023 for import of any medical device which was earlier non-notified, such as autoclaves. Question 3. Can we continue to manufacture or import autoclaves if we have made the application for grant of Form MD9 or MD15 but the application has not been approved yet? No. As of 11th October 2023, there is no notification which allows a manufacturer or importer to continue importing or manufacturing autoclaves without having a license on Form MD9. That means even if you have made the application, you cannot continue to manufacture or import autoclaves. You will have to wait till a certificate is issued on Form MD9 or Form MD15. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to ask any of your questions in the comment box below. You may further reach out to us on 9996859227 or contact@pharmadocx.com. Thank you.